This easy-to-use Dyna-Glo 30-inch digital electric smoker offers a convenient outdoor cooking experience for beginners and pros alike. The digital push-button controls simplify the cooking process by allowing you to set and monitor the desired cook times and temperatures using the control panel. An integrated meat thermometer registers the internal temperature of the food, and the thermostatically controlled 800-watt burner maintains accurate temperatures across 732 square inches of cooking space. A side loader provides convenient access when adding wood chips, while the double-wall firebox and door minimize smoke and heat loss for year-round cooking. Get authentic smokehouse taste with this digital electric smoker from Dyna-Glo.
Wondering what to do with your catch? How about smoking your salmon with a Bradley digital smoker? Try Bradley's recipe for maple smoked salmon. Create a brine out of salt, maple syrup, lemon juice, rum, cloves, and allspice. Refrigerate the salmon in the brine for 2 hours. Place the salmon on a smoker rack and let your Bradley digital smoker do the rest. In 90 minutes, you'll have a delicious maple smoked salmon.
If you love authentic barbecue, complete with the smoky smell and fall-off-the-bone tenderness, but think that making it yourself is a challenge, you need to get to know the new digital smokers from Char-Broil. We've been innovating outdoor cooking for over 65 years and have learned about the features you need to barbecue with confidence. Smarter smoking. Get peace of mind and watering of mouth, knowing that your food is perfectly cooked with our removable and washable temperature probe. Set and forget. Our electric element provides consistent heat, while the generously sized wood chip box lets you load once for up to 8 hours of smoke. Spend more time with the guests and less with the smoker. Intuitive controls. We've designed digital controls you'll understand instantly. Plus, they'll alert you when your food is done and keep it warm until you're ready to eat. Functional interior. All the thoughtful details inside make cooking carefree and easy. Configure the grates for whatever you're cooking in seconds, and cleaning up is a snap with our side access grease tray. There are 2 options to pick from, both with the same great features. The Deluxe model has a window door and light, and a remote control so you get an even better idea of how it's going. The new Char-Broil digital smokers are smart and easy additions to anyone's outdoor cooking arsenal. We put in all the work to make it easy for you to focus on the flavor. So live it up.